What's goody? What's goody? Bro was waiting for it, eh? Bro's been up waiting for the live. If there are Nepkas. When's Blondie making a return? Nah, I turned 30, cuz. I turned 30. Hope to grow up.
Went to hell, I met some friends. You know it's not that bad. Cocktails and cigarettes for sins I don't regret. But someone thought it best to raise me from the dead. So let's put on a show.
Sure, the boat. Yo, had my nap and then went for a 7k trot. 7k trot just on the cash. Went shower, wrapped into some education veg. Let's go. Yeah, well, London was good, bro. London was good. Caught the sale on London. Caught the sale down in London. Catching the buy up at the moment. Currently in the buy. Wanted to go higher. Trying to hold the trade to all-time highs. See if we crack all-time highs. Is that too loud? Is that too loud? I can't hear it on your guys' end. Yeah, nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Nice, nice. Man, when I can't sleep, I get to join your lives. Let's go. Alright, so yeah, trading this gold buy up at the moment. Now it's just been slowly pulling back all day. Slowly pulling back. Just after that big drop yesterday. Bruh. You know, I'm watching that after we jumped off live last night. I reached all the way down here, then I started trading the buy back up. But holy, that was a drop, man. If only it just hit the fucking point of interest, bro. How annoying. I was gonna take that buy, but got no entry on 1 minute, kicking myself. Yeah, facts. Right, getting a little bit of internal change of character on the 1 minute for GJ. to see if we get rejection from this area as well. Trying to trade this GJ buy up. This is what we're currently working with. Pull the way back, pushing up. Seeing if we're going to get rejection here. If we do get rejection, trying to trade that back upwards. If we have a look at the hourly, just been consolidating up and down in this range. So now we're back down in the range and we've hit into this point of interest here. Pushed up, created that internal high, 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 low, high, high. So just seeing what it's going to do off this area. And then see if we can catch that buy up. That's the idea, that's the idea. Gonna see what we can do there. Where are we? Yeah, that's about it. That's about all we're looking at the moment. Looking like it's gonna sell off on Tuesday. Gold. What's the goodie? So, if anyone's interested, these are current stats.
Hey everyone, Greg Morgan here, coming to you.
Current stats, net profit and loss are up 62% in the last week. Trade wins, 20 wins, 1 loss.
Promo, if you like, because I want to invite you to an event, a special event called the Elite Trader Master.
Just wins.
Now, if you join me on this 2-hour event,
just winning.
I'm going to show you step by step how to start properly with a proper structure and a proper plan. And that's what happened to me at Learn to Trade. I joined one of their courses. And
hopefully we get the goal. Like I want to hit 100%. If I'm going to hit 100% by the end of this week, we on. Crazy stats. I took the buy on US30 off PLY and woke up to a bag. Surely it keeps coming. Bro, I hope so. Bro. Hope so, my guy. He sounds a good man, but I'm there. Oh, is it too loud? 20 wins, 1 loss. Sheesh. Chima bro, do you trade on the 1 minute time frame or do you just stay on 5 minute? I take my entries off the 1 minute and the 5 minute. I use all time frames for market structure. Good looking dash. Sounds like my stats, but the other way around. Bro, we're doing this fucking $100 to $1 million challenge, bro. Honestly, like with this $100 account, the hardest thing is just the patience. Like the patience of having to wait. Can you share your gold buy entry? Okay, it runs through my screen. So pulled down because we started to get rejection. You know, price is obviously creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Get internal chotch, and from the internal chotch, we're starting to create high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. So off this area, point of interest, I'm looking to see rejection. Price is coming down, pulls up, comes back down, pulls up, comes back down. At this point, I'm looking to take the buy, like risking it. We've had a ton of wins through Asian and London session today, so yeah, I was just willing to take that risk because market structure is pushing that way. We've come back into the extreme of the internal, and then yeah, away we go. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Do you get confirmation off of a 15-minute charge? And if so, what do you do after? Nah. A 15-minute charge, you're waiting too long. 15-minute charge, you already missed the move. Like you want the 15-minute charge, but by the time the 15-minute charge happens, it's coming all the way back. So you could have traded it all the way up to the 15-minute charge. Yeah. Any advice on sticking to 2 daily loss limit or having a daily loss limit? Any advice on sticking to a 2 daily loss limit? I mean, it depends what your rules are. You know what I mean? Like, what are your rules? If your rules are, you know, if I lose 2 trades in a day, I'm off. Well, you've just put that rules on yourself, cuz. Brooks, just stick to it. You know? I never really put that sort of rule on myself, you know, when I was trading, because I'm impatient anyway. Like, I had to learn that. But, you know, I know that if I've made my percentage for the day, what I want to do afterwards is, you know, if I still want to get into trades, bro, just de-risk. Just fully de-risk. You know, like you might be trading, 5 contracts or something like that. Bro, just go to like 1 mini or some shit like that. Like, you're still confirming, reaffirming to yourself. Gold could sell off. We are at 1 hour POI. But if not, then our buys. Or back and checking. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like, there's still heaps of room for gold to come back. Like, honestly. This is a resistance area that I've had marked out for ages. And so on the hourly, it pushed up above and then it closed below. So we just took all of the liquidity above here. And price has just been going down, up, down, up. So for sure we could get resistance up here. It just depends on, you know, what lower time frame is going to do. We've got point of interest up here. This will be the area that it's going to get rejection. Oh fuck! That it's going to get rejection from. So, see what happens. How do you deal with a loss? I just have a saying that I say to myself. You know? You just gotta say to yourself, when you get a loss, this is the trademark thing that you say to yourself. I didn't even realize I do it. But then I realized other people around me started doing it. And the phrase is, oh well. Oh well. Like, if you get a loss, oh well. But if you get a loss, I'm assuming you're sticking to how you enter trades every single time. You know, so if you end up losing, oh well. It's just one of those trades, you know? Like, you're not gonna have... Let me show you guys real quick. Oh well. That's all it is. Oh well. It's true. Bro, how's Ali? He's good, bro. He's good. I think he's working at a gym now.
Like this song? Check it out on the Australia Hit List playlist on YouTube.
How do I add this? I'm gonna add this.
You don't choose to be evil. You are. Do you know why? There is a darkness in all of us. We often talk about others as being evil, and we think of ourselves as angels. But we've all hurt others.
How about Slade? Slade's good, bro. Slade's good. He's moving back to
To deny it,
he's moving back to GC in October or something.
we all want to share our brighter self. But we all have a shadow. A villain in the eyes of one is a hero in the eyes of another. You see, heroes may be willing to sacrifice anything for the greater good, even innocent lives. But what about villains? Villains may seem ruthless and heartless, but they would tear the world apart if it meant saving just one person. The truth is, you must see the darkness of your own shadow. So, have you met the villain within you?
Can you guys see that? So this is my win rate. So like I don't win every single trade. This is my win rate. Over the last 2 years, 68.15%. There's about 500 trades there. Yeah, about just over 500 trades there over the last 2 years. So I'm not winning everything. And so when you take a loss, it's just like, oh well. But what you have to do is make sure that you're taking the trades purely just based on like the what do you call it? Purely based on your entry criteria every single time. Because if you take a loss, that it's like a loss that you didn't stick to your plan, or you didn't stick to everything that you do on a regular basis, then like that's when you're like, it's hard to deal with psychologically. You know what I mean? Secretly, you're aging about a loss on the inside. Ooh, surely I probably will go forward, yeah. If I'm a Knights fan, oh well. Yeah, even with the 1-to-1, that's profitable. What about that guy that won like 3k you put up on your Insta? Huh? Can't wait to get to the oh well stage. At the moment it's the oh fuck. Oh bruv, this is YouTube, man. I can't be swearing. What are we doing, man? Sorry, I wasn't even watching gold. Alright, starting to get some internal chotches. We're right into Comex Open as well, so could definitely be selling off from here. Let me put that there. Oh, is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming? What's your main pair that you trade the most, bro? I would say gold. I would say gold. Yeah, pumping. She pumping, man. See, that's so annoying because it didn't hit into the point of interest. I hate when it like it moves, but without you. Is it coming? Nah, bro. Nah, you made it sound like that. That's wild. It's wild, bros. Rejected the IFVG. What's the IFVG? Is that internal fair value gap? I've never looked at that, eh? I've never looked at that. I need to get someone on the potty that trades like ICT. I would love to have that conversation. Find me someone that's profitable that trades ICT. I want to get them on the podcast. I want to get them on the podcast, man. Inverse fair value gap. So you don't even know what that means. Don't even know what that means. I'm not bagging like ICT traders or anything. I'm genuinely curious. Genuinely. You know what's crazy though? Like that win rate that's up there. But then like this, like how I've been trading this, how I've been trading like the $100, crazy. It's like crazy, man. Just a fair value gap that's been disrespected, right? It's when a fair value gap gets closed over, right? Have you tried trading Yu-Gi-Oh? Yu-Gi-Oh! Well, don't come at me about Yu-Gi-Oh, cuz. I'll have to bring out my little disc thing that goes on your forearm. Kia ora, bro. Hey, what platforms recommended to trade stocks? I currently trade crypto with Binance at the moment, but looking at getting into stocks, eh? I wouldn't even know, cuz if I'm honest, I don't even like if you're looking to buy stocks and hold them. What's that thing called in New Zealand? Sharesies. Like that's pretty solid. I used to have a Sharesies. But I don't trade stocks, so my brother is strong if one candle closes the FVG. I would be interested to know. That. Bring it out, man. Bro, I had so many cards, eh? Like I even had what was that one? Was it Exodia? And you had to have like all of his like pieces, like his arms and his legs and shit. Crazy. Shizzies. Alright, looks like gold's gonna keep going down. That's my thoughts. But just so you guys know, like as we're going through, I am placing trades, but there's rules on YouTube that I'm not allowed to say like stuff like that, like go in, do this, do that, you know. So yeah, I'll be calling out like this is what I'm looking at, you know, things like that, which can give you the idea. But yeah, apparently not allowed, so just keep that in mind. Different body parts, eh? Nah. And like the winged dragon of Ra, bro, I had them all. I had all the cards. Don't play with my Yu-Gi-Oh! Bro, I was a big fan, eh? No full ports? No full boards, brother. Vegemite means buys? Did your one have an extra leg? What are you looking at right now? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, pull back into the point of interest, continuation sells is what I'm seeing. I jumped in a... You must be doing the course, brother. You must be in the mentorship, eh, cuz? Let's push. Nez looks like it wants to keep going down to US 30 looks like it might be getting rejection. Got a solid point of interest up here. Oh, sorry, German 40. German 40 moves really, really nice, eh? Like, I like German 40. I like that. I like JP 2252 too. Same. Ah, both of yous must be. Jaws gave you the mean light bulb moment. Ah. See, that's the golden nuggets you get in the mentorship. It's literally a game changer. I mean, I don't know. You guys are gonna have to say that, you know. What are we looking at? JP. Interested in JPs? At the moment, gold's getting rejection for 1 minute. From a 1 minute poi. Is it strong enough to push through? Is there more buyers or more sellers in the market at the moment? Is there any books or videos I should watch that will help me towards getting started in Forex? Trading in the Zone. Like there's a solid book on trading. There's not actually much, bro. Like you have to go on YouTube. Yeah, pretty much just YouTube, bro. Like he's the people putting shit on YouTube. A lot of the good stuff everyone's doing in their thing. Yeah, DAX goes hard. Is it like DXY? Or is it better to get a mentor? I mean, in my experience, bro, like it's better to get a mentor. I'm not just saying that because I mentor people, but I was 14 months unprofitable until I got a mentor, and then everything started clicking because I was able to ask him questions and like figure out where I was going wrong. Which, like, when you're in that learning phase, oh, you know, you're learning anything, you learn from mistakes, you know. Oh, you do that wrong, oh, don't do that again, you know. So it just speeds up your learning. You're obviously going to learn from lessons, but if you can speed that up, you get to success way quicker. Just day trading for dummies. He on 1 minute at the moment. What flatbin do you use? Those trend lines look pretty clean. Are you on the 4 hour time frame? Now this is 1 minute, cousin. This is 1 minute, bro. I set up all of my stuff like through I set up all of my stuff through like higher time frame. but I'm looking at 1 minute and 5 minute for confirmation and entry. Dex is, oh right. Yeah, I love it, bro. It moves really nice to structure. Super nice to structure. Easy for those dubs.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to your favorite songs ad-free. Download music and podcasts to listen offline or on the go. Enjoy thousands of customized playlists and radio stations. And jam to music when your screen is off or while using other apps. There's more to discover with YouTube Music Premium. Try your first month on us.
Yo, what's up? What's goody? What's goody, bro? Bro, you see Naz last night, bro? I was so gutted. I was so gutted it didn't tap me in. Wagwan. You know, when I was watching Top Boy, I got so used to saying that. Idiot. Jumped in cell mount surely. Yo, lower high forming on the 15. Lower high. Oh, higher low. Higher low, lower high. Need that internal charge. That's what my man's waiting for. Oh well. I'm in there shorts again. I got B on gold twice today. True. Traded the sell down and then traded this buy back up, but I'm not trading this sell at the moment. Few of the people on chat are chat user NA. User NA chat. I'm not even allowed to say that on YouTube. What the fuck? Push. Yeah. Nice, bro. This buy? I over leveraged badly, but the conviction and setup was way too good not to over leverage. But you wouldn't be saying that if I went the other way, cousin. Which one? Lock myself out after revenge trading. Oh, that's on top step? Yeah. That's where I got BE. Oh, you got BE here? But you're not taking profit here? We're in the mount. Looking like it's gonna mount. Yup. I got 5 W's on gold today. Let's go. Gold was moving nice, like a little ranges. Little ranges, so it's like, oh yeah, we're going to this, get it out, go back down, take it out, go back up, you know. Came back and got the cheeky B. No good. Yeah, nice. Nice. Revenge trade is it's a fickle thing, isn't it? Hey, it's revenge trading. It's wild. Yeah, nice, bro. Oh, you set that up on like magic keys? Do you do magic keys? Like partials, are you talking about? Coming back up for potential re-entry. Let's have a quick look at 5 minute. Crazy if it goes all the way back up into this point of interest. Where's the fun of I take partials? I set trades and enjoy the day, let them run. Nice, bro. Bit of rejection off that 1 minute POI, surely it pushes through. How do you use magic keys? I've seen it, but what does it actually do? I'm not too sure if you'll be able to see that. Like, oh yeah, see that? See, like, so it's got like just heaps of different buttons, bro. So like everything that you're doing, you can just do it by a hit of a button. And so you can set up like partial TPs, you can enter trades just by pushing a button, you know. Bro, it's so much easier. It's so much easier because it's instead of like having to click around and then change the lot size and things like that, you can just do it all on here. Just bang, 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 bang. Stop loss at entry, target at default, and so you have to set it up on the interface on TV. Has like close half, close full, enter double trade, stop loss and profit, partial TPs, auto break even. So like when you're in a trade and it hits like TP1 and you put on auto break even, or just go straight to break even. Yeah. Where do you get that from? Oh, you haven't seen these? Bro, these are... Do you know Raja Banks? Raja Banks made them, bro. He sells them. So it's just Magic Keys, I think, .com. MagicKeys.com online. I caught the sell on Asian session after the sweep and rejection of the 1 minute POI. Let's have a quick look at US Turkey.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs even when you're offline or on the go. Discover new artists and podcasts and create personalized playlists anytime, anywhere. Try your first month on us.
Buzzing. Bro, that's buzzy. I've never seen those before. Ah, bro, they're so good. Just for risk management, bro. And so, like, you can set it up on the interface for, like, you know, say that you want to do 1% per trade. Yeah, like when you go open trade, you can put it in, but you can also hit input risk. And so you can change it. So it'll be like input risk, hit 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you want to do. and then just enter trade. And then you can take, yeah, like, bro, it's so good. Like, it's just a hit of a button and you're done. Right, pulled back into this point of interest. See whether or not it's going to sell off from here. Potential re-entry. Is this where it opened today, is it? What does that mean, bro? 0.00 open level. Oh, right. Five-minute getting rejection. Looks like it's gonna keep pushing, man. Anyone get in on the retest? Anyone over leveraging on the retest? When gold pulls back up for a potential re-entry, how do you know it's going to keep going down? Or how do you know it's not going to keep going up? I'll tell you a secret. You don't. You don't know whether or not it's going to keep going up or whether or not it's going to keep going down. Like, we literally have no idea. That's the whole game. But when you see patterns, which the patterns that we're looking for is market structure, higher highs, higher lows, or lower lows, lower highs. You just got to go with what you know and what you trust. You know, like if price is doing this, and then it's come back up here. If it's going to follow structure, the next spot it's going to come down to is here. If it's going to do that. If it doesn't do that and you lose the trade, oh well. I did full ports. Yes, yo. You betcha I did. Let's go. Finally got a trade on NY this week though. God damn. Saw data or probabilities. My guy. That's exactly it. It's all probability. You literally have no idea what price action is going to do, but because you've seen it 100 times before, the chances are, the probability is, it should do this next. You know, and so that's pretty much what I was looking at from this buy down here. You know, we're creating higher high, higher low. If it was going to push through this, it'll be change of character, which means price is still going down. It would have hit my stop loss, and is what it is. Oh well. Took the chance though. We're at a 1 minute point of interest down here as well. Price got rejection from here, pushed up. Here's what it is. Got TP on the first one. Nice. Love that, Trish. Welcome to the live again. We're gonna get Chocho. Wow. Or Choch for the buy. Bro wants to trade the buy back up. Not going hard though. I've made my wins for the day, so I'm just doing these little positions for learning purposes now. Doing the little positions. Getting rejection at the top here. Nice, guys. Now he's creating that structure down. Getting a little bit of rejection here. USD looking like it's creating that structure down. See what it does here. I've never seen someone use so many auto blocks that work so. I've never seen someone use so many auto blocks that work so efficiently. When you mark a POI, does it have to have imbalance connected to it? True. I like to point them out because I want to see where price is going and what price is going to react to. So when I'm in a trade, I'm seeing, like, I was in this buy from down here. Like, what I'm looking at the whole entire way up is where price could potentially get rejection. If price is going to get rejection here, we're going to see it. I'm out of the trade because, you know, if it pushes and breaks through, then it's like, oh yeah, mean. You should start going up. It gets the pullback, continues. And so all of these different areas, I'm looking at what the reaction is like as price is pushing through. Got to this point of interest, I'm having a look at what the reaction is like. It pushes through, slowly moving up, blah, 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 gets to this point of interest. So it sort of just gives me an indicator of where price could potentially get rejection. And like where price potentially wants to go, you know? Because internally, you know, we know that a lot of retail traders are still using like points of interest and shit like this as areas where they want to get into trade. So there's money sitting there. That's how I look at it. That's my point of view. When you mark a POI, does it have to have imbalance connected to it? Not really. I think people more refer to those as like order blocks. Points of interest for me is, like I was just saying, is areas that price could potentially come back to. If price is going to continue pushing with market structure, where's the next point that it's going to go to? Made your trade copy your main lives with the $100 account. Oh yes, yes I do. Damn it, I should have overly pitched. Yeah, I feel that I use STDV and FEG to find my possible rejections. It's just super cool to see how you trade because you're at the level I am trying to get to. Bro, you sound like you're there, eh? Like, it sounds like you have all of the knowledge, bro. Like you understand what you're thinking about. I think the only difference between like hugely profitable, not that I'm hugely profitable, but like, you know, profitable traders, and you know, traders that are getting there, traders that are, you know, not profitable at the moment is literally just the psychology and the confidence to be trusting what you see, you know. And so to the person, be happy. Like if you're still watching, literally, like that was the best example. So all of this happening, and so this is the previous high. So if we mark this out and we look at this as the previous high, then we're looking at this as the point of interest that price could be coming back to. We know price is coming back to this area, and we know if it ends up breaking through here and getting closure above, it should be going. But price comes up, gets rejection at the high, doesn't push above, and just continues to go down because it's creating that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and continuing, you know. Now let's come into this 5-minute point of interest down here, which, you know, it has so much imbalance through here, and there's a 5-minute point of interest sitting down here. That, if I was in those cells, would have been a target, because it's a higher time frame point of interest. Is it a 15? It's not a 15. So yeah, now it's in this key level, or like, you know, level of potential resistance if it is going to continue to go up. I'm waiting to see what happens on lower time frame. Oh, why did I delete that? It's the mindset. That's all it is, my guy. That's all it is. That's all it is. The mindset's a crazy thing in trading, bro. Like, I've been through 5 years of it. Like crazy. Like, I was risking live money right with my first account, and I was just losing, like constantly losing. Lost 50,000 in my first 14 months, bro. Like 50,000 cash. Not like a 50k fucking funded account. Like 50,000 cash money. And so my psychology around like trading and stuff, I've gotten to the point where I've just spent hours on FX replay. I've, you know, forward tested so much. But you're never gonna, like, this is a big lesson that I learned. You're never gonna get to the place that you want to be, like in trading, without execution. It's execution. Like, everyone hesitates to execute on the trades. If you can trust what you know, and trust the setups, and trust what market structure is doing, and you just execute with knowing where your stop loss should be, brother, it's so easy. It gets so much easier. Wait for the touch on the lower time frame at the extreme level, yeah. Then take a punt with as tight as you can. Gotta spend money to make money, eh, my D? Gotta spend money to make money, my guy. It's the one thing holding me back. I started this game at 16, now I'm 20, and I have many funded accounts, but my mindset is the only thing holding me back from getting payouts on a regular. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I think as well. Like, a lot of people get into that space where you know what it's working. You know what your knowledge and the way that you trade. You're like I literally have the ticket to become financially free. Like, I can do this, and so you start to think, you know, I'm going to be rich. You know, not that, you know, but subconsciously you're like, fuck, this is what's going to happen to my life. Like, start looking at Lambos, start looking at Dubai. Bro, I went through that stage heaps, bro. But if you can get out of that mindset and just, you know, as a trader, your job is to execute. Your job is to execute on your trading plan. Your job is to execute on what you know is going to happen in the market. If you can execute, bro, like that's all your job is. Your job isn't to win or lose. Your job is to execute as a trader. The outcome is money. That's all it is, man. The outcome is money. You read market structure, you read everything. Yeah, wait, I'm thinking about making a 10k live. I personally feel like I can't take it serious enough, even doing 1 to 2% trades on small accounts. Yeah, like doing 1 to 2% on small accounts, like I'm going to be honest, like even doing this live account, like I've been doing it a week. I'm up $62. Like, my win rate's 95%. Like, and I'll be honest, like I'm getting sick of it. I'm getting sick of it because it's just taking ages. Like, it's annoying. But the whole idea of this challenge is to show you guys that it can happen, you know. But that's what it is. Like, on a small account, you don't care about $5. You don't care about $3. You know, you don't care about fucking $1. Like, look at these trades. Where are they? $5, $1, $5, $5, $2, $2. Like, what is that, bros? Like, that's annoying. Like when I know, like on my big account, it's like 8 grand, 9 grand, 12 grand. You know, and so like, yeah, I have fun trading those, but it's hard. It's hard. But at the same time, you want to make sure you're ready for that 10k because you don't want to lose that 10k because it'll just destroy your confidence. So just keep that in mind. Took a little $300 win, catching 20 pips on the downtrend. Let's go. Let's go. Love that, brother. Well done. Nah, bro, that's it. I booked a holiday to Dubai in Jan because of that. Get a taste of the lifestyle. Yeah, bro, honestly, that was it. Like, once I moved to Gold Coast, bro, like, everything sort of, you know, like, where I was in New Zealand, it was just in my hometown. Like, no one else was doing, you know, anything worth doing. You know, things like that. Not, you know, not bagging, like, being at home, but it's just, is what it is, you know. Once I moved to the Gold Coast, bro, and I seen what everyone's up to here, bruh, game over, cuz. I'm going to Dubai next month. Next level. But like when I go to Dubai, I'm going to be catching up with heaps of different traders. Heaps of different traders that are at that next level, you know. So got to be around people that pull you up, man. It's me right now. I feel seen. The job is to follow the system that you built using data. That's facts. Love your vids. I just entered a trade. What trade are you in? 50 pip off that 1 minute. Point of interest. Damn, son. Is your win rate 90+% also on your main account? Nah, this is... is it on screen? This is my main account win rate, 68%. On the... Like, I'm doing $100 to $1 million challenge. And that's my win rate since I started, which has only been up for a week. But like, this is from 2 years ago. Like, I've been trading this account for the last 2 years, 68%. Like, there's like 500 trades on there. Yeah, my profit factor on my main is like 5 point something. Oh, man, yeah. Bearish, stop loss. 3433. Damn, that's a big stop loss, bro. Wait, where did you enter though? Where did you enter? How does tax work when you withdraw out of your account? Oh, bro, it's just the same. It's just like you just got to pay tax on it. I think in New Zealand, like when you get over 180k earnings, you're paying like 30 something percent, 39%. In Aussie, it's like 45%. In Dubai, when you set up like a corporate, like a company, anything over, like once you start making over 150,000 AUD, or 100,000 USD, you're paying 9% tax on anything above that. So that's why we're off to Dubai, people. Price can oh, bro, that's dropping, bro. They just hit 100 pips from this fucking thing up here. That's wild. 68% is crazy. honestly, like it's been 5 years of grinding. Like 5 years of grinding, bro. Entry price 3422. Damn, that's a big one, bro. That's 100 pips stoppy. That's 110 pips stoppy. I registered funded one way as a business and I pay 25% tax on funded account and yeah, fuck, bro. Don't do that, bro. You need to go to Dubai, cuz 9% tax. You're on, cuz. Nah, you don't have to move. It's hard to explain. I'm not going to explain it on live, but there's a thing that you can do. Set up a company, get an Emirates ID, get a corporate bank account, and then you get charged 9% tax. And so you just, everything that you take out of your account, you just straight to you just straight to like withdraw it to your Dubai account, and then you just transfer it like anywhere you want. And like you can use debit cards anywhere in the world. So, yeah. That thing up there was my stop loss. That thing there was my stop loss. The blue line are you talking about? It didn't even hit it. What's your favourite market to trade? Gold. I love gold. Another re-entry if price is going to come back up. It's what I'm looking at. Damn, bro. I'm gonna get banned on YouTube again, bro. I don't have no filter. Someone needs to filter that out for me. I'm trying to go Switzerland. Business savant. But we have to be away from Australia 6 months for that air. Nah, you just have to visit Dubai every 6 months for 1 week. I thought it was like that as well, but it's not. You just have to go to Dubai every 6 months for business reasons. Only issue with that is I'm pretty sure you have to forfeit your Oz citizenship. But that's only if you don't want to pay tax here. So you do that, and then you still pay tax here. Like it might be on 50 grand, you know, making 50 grand in Australia, pay tax on 50 grand. Like that's nothing. So vacation? Oh yes. I'm on the short. Yes, nice brother. Twice a year? Oh. Bro, it's not even a bad thing, bro. Twice a year to Dubai? Loving it. Loving it. Because if we look at higher time frame now, we're getting that overall closure. So it might get rejection somewhere down here. Hopefully price pulls back up. We're about half an hour away from NYSE open, and then just sell it all the way down. So I'm going to mark this up. This is going to be the entry for the big sell-off if we're going to sell off big. Just out here dropping dimes. From my first payout, I'm paying my flight to Fiji. Yes, let's go. Oh, broke my 1 hour bottom range now. Oh, yes. Yeah. I've never been to Dubai, bro. That looks crazy, though. One of the lads, Daniel Holmes, I don't know if you guys follow him. He's just went over there. So he's pretty much set himself up. So he gave me the contact to get myself set up. Bro, I'm telling you. If you guys get to the level and like you're making decent money, bro, like even now though, like making 100k, like you make 100k, bro, and you're like 100k, I think you're paying like 30% in Aussie. That's $30,000, bro. If you have a thing set up in Dubai, bro, you're only paying 9,000, and then to stay there for like a week isn't even expensive. Like you could get an Airbnb for like $1,000 a week. Flights are like 3.5 grand there and back. Bro, do that twice a year. That's like 10 grand, and then you're paying 9 grand in tax. Bro, you're still saving money. Still saving like 11,000.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs anywhere. Try your first month on us.
130 pips sell off. Nice, let's go, Trish. See this video with Drudge? I watched Daniel's. Yeah, that's cool as. That's cool as. I can't wait to get over there and just meet them all. Exactly, Russ. Exactly. If I didn't have a family, I would be living in Dubai ages ago. But I'm up 30k on the funded for the month. That's crazy. they could be classed as a business expense. Yeah, for sure. But there's so much stuff you can do. But like, when you're paying, 45% tax, bro, that's crippling. You're working half the year. You're working 5 months of the year for free. For what? Because after you blew your 50 G's, what you do to get back on the wagon? I mean, I'll be honest. Like, it didn't play with my psychology as much as like people would think. People like 50 grand, blah blah blah. Nah, because I knew the possibility. After the 50 grand, I just sort of thought, maybe I can't do this by myself. So I need to find someone that's going to help me. Got a mentor. And I had to pay like 20 grand for that guy. Crazy the bro was charging 20 grand. Crazy I was fucking paying for it. Oh, bro, why'd I keep swearing? Yeah, so is what it is, man. Is what it is. That's USD too, yeah, hard. Where's the bro Ali and Jordan? I think George is on the live. But the bro Ali finished up, bro. Finished up. I seen the bro Warren is in your mentorship. Yes, sir. Was the 20 grand worth it? Was it worth it? Well, I don't think I'd be in this position I am now without it. You're looking at gold sales? Oh, we're still in gold sales. Overall, we're still gold sales. Yep. Gold been good today, boss. Wouldn't have known jack on how to trade it if it wasn't for EP mentorship. Grateful, man. Shout out to the bro George too. Yes, sir. Oh, there he is. There's George. What you mean finished up? Why'd he stop? I'll be honest. I don't actually know. I think a whole lot of reasons. I think a lot of like stuff going on, family stuff. Yeah, I didn't want to get into it. Like the bro has his own reasons. Yeah, like he's still trading and stuff. And so what he was working with us for was like editing and videography. So yeah. Yo, Jordan, I watched that potty where you explained how you got all that funding. Crazy story, bro. Let's go. Damn, he's still trading or what happened? Yeah, still trading. Like we're still trading. We're still all good. There's nothing wrong there. I think like the whole thing is obviously because I'm in GC, he's in New Zealand. He had to come over for like a week every single month, which takes him away from his like actual life and stuff. And so he's got a job working for another company, like a gym in New Zealand, doing the same thing. So it just like conveniency, it just worked out for him. No, he's still trading. Still trading. We gotta get George on the live streams. Yes, sir. Can you do that? Can you you have two people coming up? I don't think you can. Like you can't have someone else like just streaming in. Like if he's at his house and I'm at mine. Well, we're still watching the 15, man. Okay, something that I like to look at, because this is such a big range for price to come back up into, it's very likely that it's going to start to make this sort of movement coming back up to here. So just watch out for that if you guys are waiting for it to get back up there. That's what you want to see. What's up, brothers? What's goody? What's goody? Who's the artist that sings the outro on the potty? Nah, that's just AI, bro. That's AI. There'll be a way, yeah, facts. Cause have you can? So you're in the market for a new team member. If you can edit, cuz if you can edit. Yes, you can. I saw Damien Hirst with someone the other day and they were in different locations. Interesting. Was that on YouTube? Zoom called a bro, and then I'm gonna have the because we want to start doing the London lives live as well, especially when we change over to WAP. Like once we're all on WAP, like the beginning calls and things like that are gonna stop. So, oh, you can. Right. Would you long it back up? Nah. When you're longing it back up, bro, that's like the internal of the internal. So that's a C grade trade, or that's what I call a C grade trade. I don't trade those. Like at the moment, we're doing B grade trade going against the overall trend. And so once price actually comes down to an area, like say down here, and then starts to go back up, I'm holding that because that's an A grade trade for me. But as we're trading it back down, it's B grade trade. And then if you're trying to trade internal of the B grade trades, yeah, it was on YouTube. Nice. Drop to 300-400, you reckon? Oh, bro, like the only place really it can go, like hourly time frame, is down here. Not that I think it's going to drop all the way down here, like without stopping and just going down and up and down and up. Like if we look on the 15, no, even on the 15 it's all the way down here. So the only rejection point higher time frame, well, you know, like is here, like all through here. It's just potential rejection. Even if we end up closing above on the next hourly, like, yeah. See, prices come all the way back up. Oh no, price is just breaking through here. Are you only using around $100 at the moment, or using leverage? No, what do you mean for the $100 to $1 million challenge? Would it be A grade still without 50%? What do you mean? Oh, you mean of the overall range from down here? Yeah, fair point, fair point. Sorry, my guy, I didn't even see that. I was just looking at this. Correct. What's pips? Sorry. Pips is what you're trading, bro. Like, and so when you're getting a win, or like what you're trading, like lot sizes, is you're trading a certain dollar amount per pip. And so if you're trading $1 per pip and then price moves 10 pips, you won $10, or you also lost $10, depending. Yeah, I mean, like when I do these lives and stuff, or like throughout the day, like I'm trading the $100, but I'm also trading my live account. Yeah, keen to get one more cheeky entry on the short before Pip. Nah, that's the over trading coming out, brother. That's the over trading coming out. If we close above, we're going up, guy. Bro, I don't even like this music, bro. It's just the free shit that you have to play. Wonder if there's like
I ordered 200 hand-forged knives for my dorm room and built a Wix website to sell them.
Alright, 12 minutes left of this hourly. I mean, no, 12 minutes left until NYC Open. Copyright free record. So this was your playlist. Anyone heard of Nate FX? If so, what are your thoughts on him? Nah, I never heard of him. Never heard of him, my guy. Why is that? What's your thoughts on him? I mean, this is alright. This is chill beats. Might just start putting podcasts on. Wonder if you're allowed to do that, or is that copyright as well? Start putting audiobooks on. There's some. Come on, people, give that bro some likes. 54 watching, only 4 likes. No, that's wild, chat. That's wild. Not even helping the growth, chat. What's good? There's some copyright free music under. No, the bro's always trying to get me, eh? Bro's out here trying to make me say that. It would be super sick if we could post charts somewhere. We post charts in the Discord, bro. It's all in the Discord, my guy. Just run your own potty in the background. Surely, eh? Spill the beans on him. Tell us about Nate FX. TJR Spirit coming out. The bro's got too much energy, eh? Bro's got fucking energy for days. Joining the disc as we speak. Ah, it's the paid Discord. It's the pay. It's like when you're in the education platform, bros. But still, posted in the wins. When you trade your main account, do you usually have Netflix or podcast playing in the background, or focus? Nah, like I'm not one of those traders that will like you enter on your main account and then you're just like watching the chart. Like I don't do that. I guess the like I've been doing this for so long. I've been like I put so much hours into refining everything that I do. You know, everything that I trade. Like even doing like the mentorship and stuff, and like other people coming out with like different ways to do this. I've never changed the way that I trade, because what I know and what I do, I know is gonna, you know, give me that win rate of 68%. Like I have the statistics behind me to prove that what I'm doing works. And every single day that I take the trade and, you know, I'm doing it, I do have everything set up where it's like, you know, moving my stop loss as price goes on. But yeah, again, it's just, I know the trades that I want to be getting into. I know, you know, what I want to be looking at. If I lose, I lose. And like you can see all the losses. That's 157 losses over the last couple of years. You know, so yeah, it doesn't really worry me if I'm honest. How's the golf going? Non-existent lately, yeah. Like I've just been on the grind. Been on the grind because I've got bigger goals that I want to hit. Now, NativeX is just a bloke who runs a signal group. I got him. The signals have been pretty good too. Caught that buy from Trump plus these past few days with buys as well. Oh, nice, nice. You know, I have no idea who it is. Currently in a sell from a signal too. Nice. So over the winter here indeed, what's the temp like? Winter over here, cuz about 23 degrees. Right, if you blow an account, do you have to start a new trade, Zella? Nah. No, you just top your account up. Like obviously if you're going to put more money in it. So when you go to trade Zella, like it has account balance, like this is the account balance line, and then it has deposit withdrawals. And so $100 and it's just been flat. And so like it got here and like it was 101.86, but I held a trade overnight and then I got swaps for it. So that's the only reason it put that in there. But yeah, so it just shows your deposits and withdrawals as well. Okay, 6 minutes left. Oh, damn. God damn. Oh, you're shot. GKB on NQ. Are you in the sell or are you in the buy? Does TradeZella use MT5? Yeah. You can use MT5, C-Trader, MT4. There's heaps of different platforms that you can use, bro. Is Brooks, cause is the Brooks that's on the live, is this the Brooks that's from the mentorship or a different one? TGR would be a hectic mentor if it wasn't 20k. I don't know, like his risk management freaks me out, bro. I was in the cell. Nice. Yeah, I wonder if we're just gonna get rejection around here, or whether it's just gonna open and just push all the way back up to where we took that, or not where we took, but where the the trade was yesterday that we're looking at. Pushing back to higher highs. Maybe. Bro, because you're buzzing me out with all the questions. Nice, that's so good. Nah, just yeah, he's a pretty out there dude, eh? Trying to get those Asia lows. Nice. Nice, my guy. You know, I'll tell you what, I know that a lot of people look at like Asia lows, London highs, blah blah blah. I've never looked at them, as zones. Like a lot of what I do, bro, is just market structure. Market structure, potential areas. If market structure is showing that it's moving that way, that's the target. It gets too complicated when you start implementing too much shit. For me anyway. Like I like to keep it chill as possible. As chill as possible, man. Alright, 2 minutes left. Let's have a quick look at the 1 minute. Got a little point of interest down here. Just want to have a quick look at US territory. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I understand all of that. I just, yeah, I've never really looked at it as anything. Do you use the fluid trades indicator? Are you talking to me? I don't use indicators, which I want to start looking at. Like I like to read price action, but I want to start looking at indicators purely just because I watched the Titans of Tomorrow podcast, and all of these institutional traders use indicators. So if they're using indicators, like, what do I think I shouldn't use indicators? Like, I'm obviously not better than them. So another 20 pip scalp for 400. God damn, it's dropping, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. Done for the night, nice. Have you never used any indicators or slowly moved? Removed? Yeah, I used to use the Ichimoku cloud. Used to use RSIs. Used to use moving averages. Like, yeah, I've used indicators in the past. Out of all of them that I used, I like moving averages. Moving averages makes the most sense to me. Just because I like statistics, and so with statistics, like obviously moving averages, like averages is a statistic, right? So yeah, try the VWAP. Yeah, I've tried that too. Like it is nice. Like, you know, you are going to get price push off these levels, but also once it comes to these levels, you need confirmation, and so that's what I do anyway. And so, like, a lot of the levels that I'm marking out is similar to what these levels are. And so it's more just giving me confirmation, like more confirmation of what price is doing or where price is going. I find that, like, because I watch the market on a daily basis, I have a fair idea of, like, where everything is anyway. Oh, there's that sell-off, bros. It just shows breaker structure and points of interest. Oh, right. Nah. See, I've used indicators like that all the time, bro, and it just doesn't work for me, eh? It does not work for me, my guy. NQ cheeked the BE and then ran. That's rough, my guy. Price dropping, price dropping. What's your study doing? Going up? What are you doing? Didn't come back into point of interest. I was come back and tapped it. Not getting as much volume as these other ones. Nice. Nah, I thought you said it checked your BE. I thought you said like it hit you out and then it went down. Crazy how much different you look compared to the thumbnail. Oh, you mean yeah. Bro, this is the exact same hoodie too. Bro, it's a different life in GCA, like everyone's training, bro. Everyone's out there doing it. Like, obviously, I got my teeth done. Like, I got veneers. Like, I was always self-conscious about my teeth, eh? Because I have a heart condition. My teeth were just really bad as I was growing up. Is what it is. Yeah, did I go? Oh, nah. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Sorry about that, my guy. Sorry about that, brother. It's all you can do, bros. It's all you can do. What's Naz gonna do from here? You gonna go up or down? Going up or down? Oh, bruh, did I not have a thing on there? I've been waiting for that to be hit, bros. Double tap. Hopefully you see the sell-off. Or is it going to the next one and it's selling off? What you doing? What you doing, bros? Just cop that AI you put on IG. Oh, market? You get market, my guy? How good, bro? How good? Market's crazy, bro. Market's legit crazy. We're still getting that seller from that. Keep going. Oh, Nez with the pullback. I need to get in there. Come back up, Naz. Alright, let's see what USD does from this little area. I think that's 5 minute just liquidity grab. Oh, what did I delete that? 5 minute liquidity grab. So wanting to see a little bit of a chotch or just pull back into this area, continue going up. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Don't go up yet. Do you still use Black Bull? Yeah, bro, I use both Black Bull and Blueberry. Bro, have you heard of Bull Waves? Never experienced commission fees, just wondering if that's normal. I have no idea what that is, my guy. Come back, Naz. Let's go, Naz, bro. Why did it just miss the point of interest? Don't tell me it goes up from here. Crazy. Don't tell me it goes up from here, guy. How long you reckon it will take you to complete this challenge? Ah, bro. I don't know, like... So in a week of trading, like starting last week, Wednesday, like it's been a week today, and that's 62%. 62%. So like you chuck that in ChatGPT, if you're gonna make 62% a week, like what's that gonna be? I don't think it's gonna be like that. Like once it gets back higher, like higher account, like say we get to 100k, I think it's going to go a lot slower, potentially, just mindset reasons. Maybe it won't, ideally I want to do it before the end of the year and then just withdraw and just have a huge yacht party. Just hire a massive yacht for the night, just have a yacht party. Subscribers only. Make sure you subscribe. Nah, I don't know, bro. Hopefully not ages. Alright, I just want to see which way these two things going, and then it's probably going to be us. US30 didn't come back into the point of interest. Naz didn't come into this point of interest. And so that's sort of just the trades missed. When's the next podcast, bro? Two podcasts getting edited at the moment, so they should be coming out very, very soon. Have you traded meme coins? I have not. I have not traded meme coins, my guy. What are they like? Do you trade them? W. Bro, just a heads up, ChatGPT been lying to me. Couldn't do simple maths. I was using it to track my wins and loss, and it was messing up heaps. You gotta get the pro version, bros. You gotta get the pro version. I use ChatGPT all the time. AI don't lie, man. Hectic. Where do you think gold will drop to? Where are we on gold? I'm not even watching gold. I was assuming that it's going to get rejection at this area. 3405. Whether or not it's going to get rejection and then just run all the way back up, I couldn't tell you, sorry my guy. But yeah, until it comes back up and comes into, you know, points of interest that I'm looking at taking trades from, I just don't watch pairs, bro. Like, here's what it is, you know. Right, Nez coming back down, US30 coming back down. See people do it online. Oh, nice. Sure, brother, I appreciate that. Have you ever thought of living in Sydney? I used to live in Sydney when I was like 18, bro. I moved to Sydney when I was 18. And it was fun. It was so fun. It was crazy, bro. I go to Sydney quite often. My uncle lives down there. What do you reckon with London session? I trade London session, bro. London session's good. I trade Asian session. I trade New York session. Asian session and London session we do with the team because that's when with everyone that's in the ambitious education platform. Because that's when everyone's sort of awake, everyone's sort of online, and so I just jump onto the lives, do this on like YouTube, just for your guys' benefit, for exposure, I guess. All of that. Oh yes, Naz. Oh yes, Naz. Why not kick anymore? Mostly just because and so I've got a guy that helps me out with like all of my social media and stuff, bro. And he pretty much just said it's like if you're doing obviously we're going to be putting out heaps of videos on YouTube. If you're doing lives on YouTube as well, it's just like a lot more exposure and people end up subscribing to the YouTube. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It just helps the videos that I'm doing get pushed out, But yeah, that's basically basic reason why. Let me know when you come through, Gene. Oh, you in Sydney? Oh, say less. P2, hello. What's that? Congrats on the Mustang. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. Fuck, I thrash it every day, eh? I'm filling it up like twice a week. Bro. Oh, fuck. I was going to say that if that worked in, bros, and now it's going up. Yes, that's correct. Ah, bros. Honestly, if it goes up from here, bro, this fucking music's depressing. I'm gonna have to find music. It's not giving me the vibes. It's making me fall asleep. Oh, you're saying hello to the bro? My bad. My bad. Sorry about it, cousin. Get up. Now still going down? Yeah, the potties are. Ah ha ha ha. Just woke up. Where's the voice of an angel? No, that's the bro Jords. Go watch the golf podcast, you'll hear him. I appreciate that, brother. I want to try to do like a lot more potties, like more conversational style, so that we can put them on Spotify. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll take that. TP on Naz. Beautiful work. Beautiful work, mate. Alright, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, you steady? Don't be ashamed, cuz. Don't be ashamed, brother. The voice of an angel. Voice of the angel. People looking at the Mariah notes. Could you get some music made? Look into it, bro. Look into it. Your 15-minute got rejection, pulling all the way back down. If we end up pushing through this little point of interest, next area we're coming to is down here. So, yes, sir. Love the ones where you have guests on and they're trading journey. Bro, you need to find more guests that want to go on. Like influencers want to go on because it gets more exposure. But I want to get people on that are like profitable behind the scenes, you know? Just everyday people that are just trading. But everyone that I hit up, they're like, oh, nah, like I'm not really for the cameras, eh? Which fair enough, but it is what it is, man. Okay, in the point of interest, what are you gonna do? Go up. Get up. I'm going to break even. I'm breaking even. Nope. USD's not going up. I'm out of that. This is the benefit of break even. You can enter into the trades off the best points of interest. And if it goes up, then you go to break even and it comes back, well, it's not going up. Some good mindset people. Yeah. You definitely want to get into it. An hourly candle will close on gold. Oh, yeah, we got rejection off here. Looks like gold's starting to push up, but it could get rejection from this little point of interest here. And it's still trending down, so unless it ends up breaking through here, we're still going down. We got 10 minutes left too. Just off this little area too, from here to here, that's that 50% retracement as well. So if we end up closing above and price ends up pushing, bro, we could break that and then it's going to close above this and then we're going up sky high, baby. Are you placing your trades on MT5? Yes, sir. Get mindset, people. All right, let's see if I can get some mindset people on the potty. Alright, gold's closing up. Oh, god damn, bro. This has been temperamental. Looks like it's going back up. Nice. You always see this move of USD as well. Like it'll go up, high, 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 low, high, high, hit, take liquidity and come all the way back. And so if it comes into here, or this one down here, we should look to go back up. So Joe Dispenza, oh bro, if I could get him onto the potty, crazy bro. Maybe when I go to the US I can. How do you find best points of interest, brother? Do you use engulfing candles? Nah, I just look at points of interest in the range, extremes. Do you look at order book to buy sell? Are you doing limit or nah? Oh, it depends, bro. Like market order on extremes. Li- oh, limit order on extremes. Market order after confirmation. Right, we're into this for US territory. Nez getting rejection. We've actually got news. We've got news at 12 o'clock, so let's just wait on. Let's just wait to see what we're gonna do. See if we can catch some sneaky one. It's crazy. We've maintained about 50 viewers the entire time. Y'all are just awake. 2 a.m. in Z time for the news. Yes, sir. They're very frank. What doing, Frank? Still up, cuz. Want to make some money. I take a week off work every month to trade. Do you actually? That's crazy, bro. Do you actually? Study, mana. Jumping on the right train. Let's go. That's what I like to hear, brother. Here, bro, got a re-entry into NAS. Back up into here, sold it down. Got into US30 here. So got into US30 as it tapped into here. Pushed up, I went to B and then it just kept pushing down. So we got news in 5 minutes, USD, existing home sales. So just see what that does and then it's us done for the night, team. Gold's still pushing up, man. Where's it gonna close? Oh, it's got ages to close up here. It's not gonna do that in 5 minutes. There's another trader in your area trading pool in Gold Coast. Did you connect with him? Not sure if he's legit. I think he's legit, bro. Like I've seen him around and stuff. I gave him a message when I first moved here. Yeah, gave him a message when I first moved here and see if he wanted to jump on the podcast, but he didn't reply. But apparently he's like sort of just keeps to himself type of guy. Like when I seen him out, like he was with friends and stuff. So yeah, I think he's legit, bro. Like there's no way that he would be doing all of this stuff and putting himself out there. You know, getting licensed and things like that to be scamming people. So Yeah, bro, make around the same as I would working. Only thing is work is stable, yeah. Trading pool is legit. I bought his mentorship previously. Nice, how was it? Beijing? God damn, the bro had his internet. Beijing? What do you mean? 10 p.m. Oh, the bro Tim's. What's goody, brother? What's goody? On holiday, cool. Ah, yo. What paid pairs will the reflection use? Anything USD, bro. Anything USD. What's your thoughts on his mentorship? The overall mentorship is confusing, but his live streams are where the education is. Nice. Alright, 2 minutes. This is not clear at all. The education is spread out, no clear way of getting through it. But his live streams is where he breaks everything down. He trades MS on steroids. MS meaning market structure? That's interesting. I've seen the stuff that he put out on Instagram, like that he was doing like a couple of years ago. And it was, I mean, it's like how I see the market. Need to join a mentorship that simple but effective when it comes to learning trading. 30 seconds, team. 30 seconds. What's Price gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? Absolutely nothing. That's why this news wasn't read folder on fucking market. Rubbish. Pretty much just links videos of other traders and says he uses each of what they're showing. He trades liquidity sweeps and the lower high of current market. That's it. That's it. Interesting. Interesting. Interesting views, team. Interesting views. Appreciate that, brother. Anyway, team, it looks like everything's heading up. That news did absolutely nothing. US 30 getting the rejection from here, so should see price continuing to push up higher. NAS, unsure what it's going to do. It looks like it just wants to keep pushing down. Might just be getting a little retracement, a little bit of a pullback here. Gold, same thing. Like everything's just moving the same. Indices and middles. So is what it is, man. Is what it is. How do you say it, guy? No, I appreciate you guys. But yeah, that's going to be us for tonight, team. That's New York session. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow, eh? Don't overtrade. Go to bed. Appreciate that, brother. Good night, team. Much love, bro.